Hello learners! It's great to see you again. Today, we will explore how to make number bonds to 10. Let's look at this tray. There is one white ball. How many orange balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 orange balls. We can show this using a number bond. 1 and 9 make 10. What if there are 2 white balls instead? How many orange balls are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 and 8 make 10. Can we make other number bonds to 10? Let's have 3 white balls now. How many orange balls do we need to make 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 and 7 make 10. Which other pairs of numbers can make 10? Observe the balls and pause as you discuss with your friends.
Did you manage to get the number bonds to 10?
Today we have learned how to make number bonds to 10. Great job on completing this video. Hope to see you again.